Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss the last two kinds of pronouns. So far we have discussed six kinds of pronouns: uh, personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reflective pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and the last two, that is seventh and eighth, we will discuss them today. First of all, let us discuss uh, distributive pronouns. What is a distributive pronoun? A pronoun that considers members of a group separately rather than collectively. So they are followed by a singular verb. ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन है इसमें ग्रुप का हर एक मेंबर जो है उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. We talk about every member of the group individually, not collectively. So they are followed by a singular verb. और जो ये है ये these distributive pronouns उनके साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब इस्तेमाल होता है. जिस तरह थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब इस्तेमाल होता है, इन द सेम वे we use a singular verb with this distributive pronoun. For example, each, either, neither, everyone, any, none, no one, etc. There are some examples. Neither of them plays well. Neither of them plays. Them, neither of them. मैंने अभी कहा था कि we use singular verb here. Plays यहाँ आता है. जिस तरह एक प्रोनाउन के सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन जो होता है उसके साथ हम सिंगुलर वर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इसी तरह ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं उनके साथ भी हम सिंगुलर वर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Neither of them plays well. Everyone must finish the breakfast. Any one of you can join the program. None of your friends went party. Each of you has received the prize. Now the last one, that is relative pronoun. This is very important. A pronoun that introduces a dependent or relative clause and connects it to an independent clause. ये जो relative pronoun है ये दो काम करता है. एक तो ये introduce करता है dependent clause को. Dependent clause, main clause को नहीं. जो dependent clause होता है, main clause के बाद जो clause आता है, डिपेंडेंट क्लास जो होता है उसी को ये इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. और जो मेन क्लास और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास होता है उनको ये जोड़ता भी है. ये आपको एग्जांपल्स में समझ आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल जो मेन रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस है हु, विच, दैट, whom, whose, what, whoever, whichever, whomever, etc. Let us learn these individually. First of all, who, it refers to a person. It can be used as subject and object. I saw a man. For example, मैं example दूंगा. I saw a man who was very tall. I saw a man. This is main clause. Who was very tall. This is independent clause. This is dependent clause, sorry. And जो who है, ये word who है, this is a relative pronoun. ये connect करता है main clause और dependent clause को, और relative pronoun भी as काम करता है. who जो होता है ये हम persons के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. It is usually subject as well as object in a sentence. Then we have whom. It refers to a person, but it is always used as an object. नीचे मैंने examples दिए हैं इसके, आप आराम से समझ जाओगे. Then we have third one, that is which. It refers to an animal or thing. It is also used as subject and object. Then we have what refers to a non-living thing. That means it is always used with in place of a non-living thing. It is always used as an object. Then we have that refers to a person, animal, or thing. It is also used as subject or object in a sentence. Then we have another one, that is whose. It refers to possession. It shows possession. It can be used with living and non-living things. Then we have another group of these relative pronouns. For example, whoever, whomever, whichever, whatever, whichsoever, whosoever, whatsoever, whomsoever, whosoever. These are rarely used relative pronouns. They are also called compound relative pronouns, क्योंकि दो वर्ड्स के बने हुए होते हैं. They are also known as compound relative pronouns. Now let us use some of these relative pronouns in sentences. First of all, she is the woman who discovered radium. यहाँ जो who word है ये relative pronoun है. It connects main clause with this subordinate clause. और who introduce करता है who discovered radium. ये introduce करता है this subordinate clause को. Then we have another example. There was only person who told. He was only person. He was only person who told. There was only person who the old man spoke to. Sorry. There was only person who the old man spoke to. There was only person who the old man spoke to. जो पहला sentence है, she is the woman who discovered the radium. In this sentence, who is used as subject. But in the second sentence, there was only person who the old man spoke to. Who is used as object of a sentence. Now this is the house which Jack built. This is the house which Jack built here, which is used as relative pronoun. He gave me a book which was very interesting. यहाँ which in both sentences has been used as object. This is George. Sorry, मैंने एक small लिखा है. This is George whom you met at station. Whom you met at station. जिसे आप मिले. There was only one person to whom the old man spoke. ये whom or whom दोनों relative pronouns है. Then we have I am not sure whom this book belonged to. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. That is pronoun, relative pronoun. This is the matter that they were talking about. That they were talking about. In this sentence, that has been used as relative pronoun. I say what I mean. What has been used as relative pronoun. He failed in what he attempted. यहाँ भी what as relative pronoun इस्तेमाल हुआ है. What has happened is not clear. यहाँ भी relative pronoun as what इस्तेमाल हुआ है. Now जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही बताया है कि there are another group of relative pronouns. They are called compound relative pronouns. For example, जो मैंने पहले examples दिए हैं उनमें उसके भी 2-4 sentences मैंने बनाए हैं. Please tell whoever may call that I am not available. Whoever. Please tell everyone who may call that I am not available. In the same way, whomever you hire will be fine with me. William will be successful at whatever she chooses to do in life. I will give you first whichever pocket I will get. I will give you first whichever pocket I will get. These were some of the compound relative pronouns. Before closing this topic, before ending this topic, let me once again repeat that these pronouns are actually of 8 kinds. First of all, we have personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and the last one that is relative pronouns. इनको अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए you have to use every pronoun in a sentence but as pronoun, क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बताया है कि बहुत से वर्ड्स इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में दे बिलोंग टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस एक वर्ड है, it is a pronoun also, it is an adjective also. In the same case, there are many words which belong to different parts of speech. The best way to understand these words is to use them in a sentence, but as pronoun, as adjective, whatever you want to use, however, in what way you want to use them. Inshallah, we will discuss the third part of speech, that is adjective and its kinds, in next lecture. Till that, goodbye.